Hello friends, I'm Pratish Gaikwad. I would like to discuss with you today about the different kinds of accounts which we have in accounting. As we know that even the three golden rules of accounting and the classification of the balance sheet is based upon the different kinds of accounts which we have in accounting. So today let's turn and see and let's discuss what are the different types of accounts which we have in accounting, as it is very important for us to know the accounting part. So it is very important for us to know the different types of accounts. In accounting generally we have two major type of accounts: personal account and second is impersonal account. Let's see what is there in personal account and what is there in impersonal accounts. As far as the personal account is concerned, we have three categories of accounts in personal account. First is natural person account, second is artificial person account, and third one is representative personal account. What is there in natural person account, artificial person account, and what is there in representative personal account? Let's see. As far as the natural person account is concerned, all the individual human beings account. For example, if I say Rajesh account, Sumit's account, Ashok's account, this all comes under the personal account. If I say account relating to individual human beings, that is personal account. What about the artificial personal account? That is also a very important type of account under personal account. If we see artificial person means account of organizations. Like example, if I say Radhika Sport Club account, or if I say Bank of India account, all these are the examples of the artificial personal account. The accounts of the organizations, they are artificial personal accounts. Third one is representative personal account. What is representative personal account? The account which represents a certain person or a group of person in business dealing. Like for example, we have outstanding rent account, we have income received in advance account, we have prepaid wages account. So all these are known as the representative personal account. They are relating to outstanding or prepaid items. So all prepaid items and accounts which are relating to even the outstanding, they all come under this representative personal account. We have impersonal account. We have two major accounts in impersonal account. We have real account, we have nominal account. What is there in real account? In real account we have tangible account and we also have the intangible real account. So what is tangible real account and what is intangible real account? Under nominal account we have two categories. We have expenses and losses and incomes and gains. So let's discuss about impersonal account also. Now as we see that under the category real account we are having tangible real account and intangible real account. Intangible real account is like goodwill account, copyright accounts, which we cannot touch. So that all, or which we cannot feel, that all comes under intangible real account. And tangible real account is like which we can feel and which we can touch. For example, computer account, cash account, machinery account. This all comes under the tangible real account. What comes under the nominal account? Expenses and losses. All our expenses and losses account. Stationery account, purchase account, advertisement account. Stationery account is an expense account. So that comes under the expense account. For example, purchase account is also the expense account. So it comes under the expense and losses account. Income and gains.